Hello friends, in this video we'll be automating the attachment download functionality. So, let's begin. In our previous video, we have sent an mail with an attachment. So here we will be using the same email. We will first click on this mail, using its subject text in our XPath. Then, we will hover mouse pointer on it, to make the download button visible. And at last, we will click on the download button. Let's start by creating a TestNG method for download attachment. And first, we'll add the login code within this method. Then, we'll create one Palm class for storing our XPaths in it. Our first XPath will be the mail subject line. Second XPath will the attachment path, and third will be the download button. Then we'll create constructor to initialize page factory.init elements, which implicitly creates the find element calls behind the scene. Then we'll generate getters methods for our web elements. To generate getters and setters, go to Source tab and click on Generate Getters and Setters. Then click on Select Getters button and click on OK. The getters method will be generated successfully. Now, we'll create a method for download attachment. First we'll click on Mail. After that, we'll use Action class to hover the mouse on the attachment. We'll extend SpaceLib class to use wait statements. And at last we'll click on the download button. In our TestNG method, we will call this method of our Palm class. Now, let's run it from our TestNG XML file. The mouse have hovered on the attachment, but didn't clicked it. Let's switch to hard code wait and check. So we have successfully executed our script and downloaded the attachment. Thanks for watching friends, have a nice time.
voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand, they talk to me.